Welcome back, savvy viewers, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly cordless vacuum cleaners with the Vactidy Blitz V8. Is this budget contender a diamond in the rough, or just another dust collector? Let's find out. Introducing the Vactidy Blitz V8, a wallet-friendly cordless vacuum cleaner that promises simplicity and convenience. But does it really live up to the hype? Stick with us as we dissect its features and performance to give you the lowdown. The Vactidy Blitz V8 might remind you of other cordless stick vacuums out there. With the flexibility to convert into handheld or upright mode, it's equipped to tackle various cleaning scenarios. But what sets it apart is the extendable wand, a rarity in its price range. This height-adjustable wand not only caters to different users but also makes storage a breeze. The extendable wand isn't just a gimmick, it's a practical feature allowing you to reach high spaces with ease. At a lightweight 2.5 kilograms, the vacuum remains well balanced even when extended. Vactidy's package includes a motorized floor head, a crevice tool, and a brush. While it lacks a dedicated tool for pet hair, it's still a handy addition for quick cleanups. Let's talk simplicity and controls. Operating the Blitz V8 is a breeze. A simple squeeze of the trigger brings it to life. However, there's a minor inconvenience. No visual indicator for power mode, so you'll rely on your ears to gauge it. Battery life is represented by 3 LEDs, not as detailed as some competitors but enough to keep you informed. Now, let's get to the real deal, performance. In our tests, the Vactidy Blitz V8 exhibited average power, measuring 2.3 AW on low and 4.2 AW on high power modes. It's worth noting that power in air watts isn't the whole story, but it does impact performance. In practical tests, the Blitz V8 had a mixed performance. While it handled light messes quite well, like flour on carpet, it struggled with bigger challenges. Rice and hair proved to be trickier, leaving some debris behind. This vacuum's cleaning prowess might leave you wishing for a bit more oomph. On the noise front, the V8 falls within the expected range, measuring 71.3 decibels on low and 74.8 decibels on high settings. As for battery life, it's respectable 24 minutes on low power and 19 minutes on high power. However, its relatively lower power means you might have to go over areas multiple times. Wrapping it up, the Vactidy Blitz V8 is a wallet-friendly option that suits specific needs. If you're looking for a compact backup or quick job cleaner and already have a plug-in vacuum for larger tasks, this could be your go-to solution. But, if you're seeking a cordless vacuum for whole home cleaning, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more insightful content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep those spaces spick and span, and remember, the right tool can make all the difference. Stay tuned for more exciting product breakdowns.